everybody. So one of our next great adventures is we are actually having a house built.
Ooh, boxes. I'm gonna snag some of those.
Okay. Where he's looking at the trash bin here. It's kind of early in the morning, so we are it's still a little bit dark out here, but as you can see, they've got the drywall in, they've got the they're putting the bricks in, and they've already got our little number plate up on the wall outside. We'll go inside here in a second and take a look around. So we're in the garage right now, and there's where the water heater is going to go. Okay, so we don't have electricity out here yet, but the lights and that's where the lights and the garage door opener will go. Light switches. So Jeff was telling me a minute ago that they have textured on the inside.
Yep, they finished taping and texturing everything but the door.
So this is going to be where the laundry room goes. And
Pantry.
hang on, come back here so I can.
Pantry.
This is where the pantry is going to be. It's going to be
Kitchen.
Yep.
And dining area. And looks like we're gonna be getting a new front door.
Oh, yeah.
Oh well. Living room.
We're gonna have a fan up there in the middle. There's gonna be a small little bar right there that goes into the kitchen. So if we want to have one or two seats sitting right there, we can.
And the doorway to the hall, or the doorway to the flex room.
And this will be a closet over here.
Yep.
And
the hallway.
and that's going to be the access to the attic. So
Guest bathroom.
got the bathtub in already. This is going to be where the sink is going to be.
This is the computer room.
We'll have a closet in here. We'll have all of our computers and my crafting station and Jeff's model kit station in here as well.
Should be just enough room for all the desks.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
And then back into the hallway, the living room.
Yeah. We got
I don't know
arches.
what that hole is for, because that's the access to the...
I think that may be the return vent for the air
like a
conditioning.
vent
Yeah.
thing.
We got arches that goes into the living room.
And then the guest bedroom.
That's the closet for the guest bedroom.
Big old closet. Double pane. One inside, one outside.
It's a nice size bedroom for guest bedroom as well.
Yep. Back out into the hallway, and then the master bedroom.
So we'll probably end up putting our beds over here.
Yep. And then
Double doors that go out to the backyard.
Yep. And then the master bathroom. Sink, soaker tub, shower.
Hang on, I'm just now getting to the bathtub. We got a big soaker tub.
Shower.
We're thinking about putting a TV up there on the wall above the bathtub.
Right here. And then
Okay. Hang on, come back in here. I need light.
there's a plug right around.
Come here so I can show the shower.
Shower.
So this is gonna be where the shower is. There's gonna be a shelf in there. This is where the toilet's gonna go.
And the walk-in closet.
So nice big walk-in closet. They'll have a vent and a light in here.
Light switches outside the door.
Okay. Maybe right there.
Yeah.
Or right there, one of the two.
One of the two, yeah. All right. I'm not gonna mess with the door, they gotta kinda.
So, right where that kind of ridge is right there is about where the backyard is gonna end.
Mm-hmm, yeah,
Maybe just past that.
where that orange stake is. The
Right.
power boxes are outside of our yard, so we don't have any power boxes or anything inside our fence line, which is gonna be nice.
Mm-hmm.
They're in someone else's yard.
Yep. So when I was walking past the living room and we saw this door right here, this goes out to our side yard from the living room. So we're, step aside. So we're the second house on the corner.
And the fence line's gonna run right here.
Yeah.
So just enough room to get the mower up one side and back down the other if we don't pave this strip.
Yeah.
And then down to the orange stake.
Uh-huh.
And that, all that power stuff is on the outside of our fence line.
Okay.
We don't have anything but a flat piece of ground back there behind the house, which is gonna be nice.
Yeah. This is gonna be nice once it's done.
Yeah. Right, man.
Well, this is the progress so far. We'll come back and we got a little grasshopper in here.
Big grasshopper.
We'll come back and video as we get more progress made to it.
Yeah.
But they're bricking up the house right now.
Don't bump your head.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. Okay, so down the street from the house that we're building, we found another house that is the same exact model, but it's just flipped. So it's a mirror image of our house, but it's the same model, same layout.
I guess we're gonna have a square.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have a square and their little decorative thing up above the driveway. They haven't done that yet on our house, so this is what we're expecting.
The other ones, we'll look at some of the other Pegasus on our way out of the neighborhood and see what they've got above their garage.
Okay.
Pegasus may all have the square thing.
Yeah. So we can tell you now that this is going to be where a flower bed is going to go out front. And it comes with little bushes in them because that's what they're putting on all the other houses.
4 of them.
Four.
So we're going to uproot those, put them in pots, and stick them around the AC in the
And-
backyard. And then we're going to drop
Roses down here.
roses.
And then there's going to be a smaller one right here,
Circle.
a circle. And we're going to remove one of the monkey grass clumps that comes there and put Texas mountain laurel in its place.
Smelly, smelly, smelly. Front porch is going to be nice and smelly.
The bay window, that's the dining area from the outside. Okay.
So this one's got its tile.
You know what? I'm going to leave my shoes outside since my shoes are all muddy. No?
Put your shoes back on.
Okay. I was hoping there was carpet already in it. No carpet.
It'll have crunchies all over the floor.
Okay. Yeah, that's safe then.
Okay, so the tile and cabinets and countertops are all in this one.
So this is where the stove and the microwave are going to go. And like I said, it's going to be opposite in our house because this house is flip-flopped. But this is where the microwave up top and the oven down below. This is going to be where the fridge goes. And then our dining area right here. They've already got the light in there. And then right where Jeff is standing is going to be where the dishwasher goes. And the sink. It doesn't go that deep.
Deep sinks.
He's cabinets up top. So here's where the little bar is that I was telling you guys about.
Yep.
So it's got a little ledge on it. And then the living room, still the same, it's just flip-flopped. I have not put the fan in there yet, but this is where the wall that has the doors to the flex room is where we're gonna put the TV. So,
Our 2 chairs, and then we're gonna go get a couch, because
Yep.
there's plenty of room in here.
the flex room, these will actually be glass. They've got them taped over to paint right now. So it'll be clear glass when this is finished. But the flex room with doors to the closet and the light. Nice big flex room. We may make this our home gym or something. We don't know yet. And see the shower bathtub in there has got the shelf already and the sink area. Lots of storage space. This will be our computer room with the closet doors. Other entryway to the living room with the archway. Hey honey, look, it is the air return.
Okay.
So the other guest, the one that we'll actually use as a guest room with a closet door already on it.
Let me see. Yeah,
It's a nice sized
a
closet.
Nice big closet.
Nice big, decent sized guest room.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep.
And the master bedroom.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Yep, with it. So we'll be able to get up and get in the shower when the other one is sleeping or in bed. And we're still getting all that fixed
They
up.
haven't put the doors in, but they do have the tile all
Yeah.
over the, they do have the tile
Uh-huh.
in the shower. So this is what the shower looks like with the tile, but they don't have the door in
Yeah,
there.
and see they got the shelf in there too. We'll be changing out that shower head.
Yeah, probably, and the lights switch. There it is.
Okay.
So the one that's in the space is for the potty, and the other one on the wall is for the
Uh-huh.
walk-in
Let
closet.
me walk in. So it'll be a nice big nice big closet.
Alright,
Lots of space. Lots of space. Let me turn off all these lights. We don't need all of them on. Well, they don't need them all on. This one overlooks out the back door the
We may need to get an electrician out here to drop another
plug.
plug on the inside here.
There's a retention pond in this neighborhood, and this particular house overlooks the retention pond.
Oh, Lord, look at that. It just goes.
The backyard goes about 1.5 feet past where the back patio goes, so it literally just drops off.
It just drops off. Alright, well.
This is what the inside of the house is going to look like once it's done with our house.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get another outlet put right here on the other side of that one.
Okay.
So that there's an outlet.
Yeah, so we can plug in the TV.
I want
Alright.
the TV above that bathtub.
Yeah.